Hi guys, welcome to Ronald and Beyond. So update ko lang guys sa quick sell natin for today. So we have 3 clients or 3 customers. So first is yung Black Manta, second is yung SHF na Wonder Woman, and then third is yung set ng Deadpool Legacy Edition si Logan tsaka si Deadpool. So for the Black Manta, so this is a 12 inches PVC statue. So yan, ganyan siya kalaki. So malaki din yung box niya. So nabili na sa atin ni Sir. So we are ready to ship via Lalamove. And then second buyer natin for today. So he bought Wonder Woman SHF Justice League. So mas mabenta yung WW84 nito no kasi mas kuha daw yung face. Pero for me this is fine pa rin naman since maganda yung output ng SHF. And then last customer natin for today.